Have a nice day, everyone. Happy Monday. Let's have a snack. This is my snacks. French bread, pears, apple, cucumber, cheddar cheese, cup noodles with chicken flavor, with a cup of coffee. That's it. Simple snack, but so yummy. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Kain po tayo. Merienda time. Guys, pag Monday, busy talaga guys. Dami ang trabaho. So, katapos ko lang naglinis ng living room. Kain muna guys. Para may energy sa pag-work. Mainit-init pa guys. Oh. Ang cup noodles ko guys. Oh, so yummy. Very yummy guys. Tapos lagyan ko ito ng palaman yung tinapay. Cheddar cheese ito guys. Masarap. Sa sandwich. Yung dikit-dikit na ito. Yummy. Nagdikit-dikit guys. Oh. Ayan. Kompleto, may noodles. Very healthy. Ito gusto ko na cucumber guys. Oh. Ganito lang kalaki. Harap. Masarap guys. Mainit-init. Love you guys. So yummy merienda. I love it. Kasi palagi ako late nagla-lunch. So, kailangan mag-snack mo rin. Mag-merienda. Okay, love you all. OFW life. Let's grind na naman. Dami na naman ang work. Food is life.